Twinkle, twinkle, little star, it's time to learn what you really are. So anytime you look up at the night sky, there's tons of stars everywhere. And some of those stars appear to twinkle. But have you ever wondered, why do they twinkle? How does that happen? After doing some research, there's two reasons why stars twinkle. And one of those reasons is refraction. Refraction is the bending of light. And that happens when light goes from one medium to another. And you see this all the time. So when light travels from water to air, things start to look weird. Like when you see your friend in a swimming pool and he or she looks all wavy. To demonstrate this, I've created a little experiment. I have a cup of water on top of a flashlight. And as you see, when the light's shining through the water, it looks different than it did when it shines by itself. The reason why the light looks different is because it has to bend when it goes through the water. And if we move the water, we see the light wobble. And this is because the water is moving around, causing the light to refract even more. And the same thing happens to stars. Starlight travels through space and then it enters the Earth's atmosphere. And the Earth's atmosphere is like the water in our experiment. But the atmosphere isn't standing still, it's moving around. There's lots of atmospheric turbulence, and that will cause the light from the stars to wobble just like the light in our water. Except for some reason when we look at the stars in the sky, we don't see them wobbling. Instead, we see them flickering, and not sure why. Some stars flicker for another reason, and these stars are known as pulsars. Pulsars are the remains of blown up stars that spin around really fast and shoot out radiation everywhere. When first discovered, pulsars were referred to as LGMs, and that stands for little green men. They believed that the radiation from the pulsars was created by intelligent life. Pulsars aren't the work of some cosmic beings trying to send radiation through space. Pulsars are created by Mother Nature, and here's how. Pulsars are born when massive stars, much larger than our sun, explode, and then it collapses on itself to form a compact magnetic neutron star. Spinning a magnet causes the acceleration of particles, so as the neutron star is spinning, this causes radiation to be shot out. Radiation like radio waves, gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet rays, and even visible light. Think of pulsars as cosmic lighthouses. As the pulsar spins, the radiation or the light sweeps across space, and if that light reaches Earth, to us it'll appear as a pulsing light in the night sky, hence the name pulsar. So the next time you look at the night sky, think of refraction, think of pulsars, and think of subscribing to my channel. I'm Mike Wilson, and thanks for watching this episode of The Big Bang Query. If you have any questions about science, feel free to share them here, and it might be featured in a future episode. I'm a pulsar.